Well folks, welcome back to the workshop. Here's a wee quick one for yous. There's a common one that can happen to any brand. Tool takes a fall and you break the casing. This is the DCF 787. Customers dropped it from a height, smashed the actual handle. Needs a new casing now to get it up and running again. Main thing is, if you ever do bust the casing, just make sure it actually still works. Casing is bust, but the wire should always still attached. Depending on the brand, some of the wires coming off the actual battery retainer can be very fine, delicate wires. They can be broken very easily. These Dewalts, mind you, use fairly heavy gauge wire. Even the lighter ones are a wee bit thicker, so harder to break. So, how to actually replace your casing? Quick and easy wee job, especially for these here Dewalts. One of the easiest ones to do it for. First thing, get the small bits off. That's just a little belt clip. Well, that screw's actually stropped out, so we have to cut that off. So he's actually cable tied the bottom handle on. He's tried gluing it back together and he's put a few cable ties through the motor to help support it, but it's still broken off again. This is one of the easiest little repairs to do, quite common as well. Tradesmen using tools on a building site, they can drop them all the time. Sometimes they get broken like this. As long as the motor works, you're good to go. You can just replace the casing. Couldn't be easier. You want to keep all these screws because they don't come with the new one. They're all T10 Torx. You can salvage the stickers if you want. Helps the look of the machine if you still have some stickers on it. Just peel them off. Keep them for later. Get rid of that and that. Open up your new one. Now, if you are changing yours, just make sure when you're ordering you're getting the right casing for the right model. Dewalt does several of these here impactors. This is the DCF 787. You also get a 788 and a few others. But you also just make sure of the type number as well. So there's a type number 1. Sometimes Dewalt or any other brand can take out variations on the same model. So just make sure you're getting the same type number as well, just in case there's anything different inside of here. Sometimes the newer models can have a different switch that won't line up with the old type casings. Like I say, this couldn't be easier. Switch lifts out. It's all attached to the gearbox and motor all together. Even your LED light is already clipped onto the gearbox housing here. This all comes out as one piece. The only other piece you need to actually swap over is your forward and reverse lever. That's it. You have to reinstall it because this has come out of an old one. All the wires are already formed to the correct place. All you have to do is literally just drop it straight on. Switch has little fins on the side that locate onto the body, here, and up there. As long as they're located in the right location, the switch just slides on. Same as your motor. All you have to do, just give it a little push. It slides straight on. The only other thing you have to do then is drop in your forward reverse selector. Lift up your switch, locate it into here, and push it back down again. And that's it. everything in. Make sure there's no pinched wires. Nothing's going to catch. That's all you need to do. The second half, just go straight over the top. That's it. Stick all your screws back in. Being careful not to strip any of them out. Only into plastic. If you're using a cordless drill and you don't want to over tighten them, put it into screw mode and turn down your clutch. Less likely to strip anything out. That's her. One body swapped over on the Dewalt impactor. Now all we want to do is make it look right. On a sticker for here, you can just transfer this over. You can also buy these if you want, but if they're not actually torn off the old one, you can reuse it. It's normally better to reuse it. Generally it's better to reuse it because it'll have all the right numbers on it. Your actual model number, your type and your serial number. That. Sometimes they're going to be less sticky, so you might want to put about a double-sided tape on to reattach them. All you need then, a little taste, double-sided tape. I'm very tempted to put it on crooked just to annoy people, but I'll try not to. And there we go. Only one more thing I want to do. Let's change over this belt clip. She's jammed on. The housing's rounded out and the nut's just spinning. To get it off now, we'll have to just give it a wee snap. And that's her. One Dewalt impact driver. A DCF 787 Type 1 with a new housing. Quick and easy repair. Anybody could do at home. Only tools you need. A T10 screwdriver and a Phillips number 2. Simple. You can buy that body as well online for about €30. A lot cheaper than actually buying a new one. If you want to see more tool repair videos, give us a wee like and a follow, folks. Cheers.